Good morning, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's early this morning, 7:40, but I want to show you something exciting. Notice it is 70 degrees in and 4 degrees out. All I had to do was open up the wood stove and pop in some wood and open up the bottom to let more air flow, and it'll warm it up in here nicely. Well, 70 degrees isn't bad, but for some reason the standby heater kicked on, so it must have been around 65 is when that kicks on. Now here's some exciting news. 42 degrees on the battery and 12.4 volts at 7:30 this morning. That is really exciting news. Sorry, baby's got her head in a bag. She's running around with her head in a bag, sorry. So I'm finally gaining a little bit. I've improved my temperature and also my morning voltage. So as I figured, that is what the problem was all this time. It was just way too cold, and a lot of people said that. I just was struggling with getting those batteries warmed up. So a couple warm days and I think they'll finally catch up and maintain their warmth. And that will have on Sunday. It's supposed to warm up, although we're going to have a miserable snowstorm. It's supposed to be warmer out, so maybe the batteries will warm up some. Let's see if I can catch this on camera. I hope he's still there. Yeah, baby cat. Baby, you want a bird, don't you? Huh? You want a bird? Baby, you want a bird? Baby's watching cat TV. Want to get the bird? Baby cat? Baby, want a bird? Want to get the bird? Huh? Want to get the bird? Yeah. You want to get the bird? Get the bird, baby. Red-headed woodpecker. Remember those worms I said I was going to throw out to my chickens? Well, it attracted all kinds of woodpecker type birds. And there's a pretty one. It's like a woodpecker of some kind. I don't know birds. That's a pretty little bird. They're cute. See the long beak? So anyway, I put out seed for them. And there's a whole mess of these living over in the brush pile. Fat little things. So they ate all the worms out of the firewood that I cut. And then I just put out some bird seed for them. And let them stay around for a while because they're cute. And that's Baby Cat's TV. Off-grid cat TV. They're not even afraid of me. They're all over on the trees out here, eating the bugs. Hey, baby cat. I don't like her on my computer, but it's an exception right this second. Hey, baby cat. Baby cat, wanna get the bird? Wanna get the bird? I wish the woodpecker, the red-headed, would come back. But he lives here. I see him every year. So I'll keep that out there. Today it's going to be a miserable snowstorm, so that'll all be covered up. But when I get it cleared up, I'll throw out some more seed. And as I work out more worms out of the... icicle just fell off the wood stove. As I work out more worms out of the wood piles, I leave them out here for the birds. It's fun just watching them out the window. So it's 10 o'clock. I just finished processing a video. It's I finished uploading. It's processing now. I have to get ready for the blizzard to come. Not blizzard, sorry. Bah, the Weather Channel's got me programmed into saying blizzard. No, just a snowstorm coming. It's 75 in and 17 out, 18 out. Let me show you the solar activity. It is gray. It's not very nice out there right now. So it's not a nice day because there is a snowstorm coming. Let's go show you the solar production right now. Over here we've got, not bad looking at all. I'm quite impressed considering it's cloudy. I'm pulling in almost 500 watts of power. And the batteries are up at 14.9, 42 degrees Fahrenheit. So hopefully they should warm up. So they're only 20 degrees warmer than the outside air. And I'd like to get them a lot warmer than that. 30 amps coming in isn't bad at all. I'm hoping they'll warm up and give me some more usable energy for the evening times. Modem is on. I'm going to just leave that running because it's easier, because it takes that thing forever to boot up. And I've got the inverter on and I'm charging some batteries, some D-size batteries. All my outdoor cameras and security lights are D batteries. So anyway, I gotta go out and take care of cutting some firewood and get a whole lot stockpiled before the snowstorm hits. Going to get some more gas. I got mail at the post office. They do not deliver anymore down my place, so I have to go pick up everything. So just go get provisions and ready for the storm. Just real quick, I got back with the parts for the generator, got it fired up because there is no sunlight now, and it's been pretty dark most of the morning. The attempt at being sunny went away. I am standing in front of my door because it's snowing heavily, and I do not want to wreck the camera. It is a nice camera. Now I'm going to go out really quick and continue chopping some more firewood and splitting it and bringing it up by the house because we're in for a big one. And I'm not sure if I'll have much video today. I know I won't have any solar. So I literally ran from the car, ran over, got the generator put together. I put a new pulley-end belt on it, and we'll see how that lasts. I literally was running back and forth, trying to get stuff going in time. So, well, no chickens in sight. Not a thing. Not a trace of any birds. Oh, there's birds. I've got birds. Little tiny birdies. All kinds of birds here at the off-grid homestead. Well, I better get out there and get some wood cut before it becomes a full blast storm. It's supposed to snow all day today and into tomorrow before it ends. So I'll get some work done while I can. Oh, well, this is it. This is why my videos, some are saying, are quite boring recently. Sorry, I'm in a rocking chair and can't resist rocking. So, oh, there's the little birds in the wood pile. Little birds in the bird pile. Where'd they go? There they are. They live in that brush pile for the winter. They're winter birds, so they'll be gone in spring anyway when I start clearing that out. So it won't hurt anything for them. But it makes a nice home for them. And they're eating up the chicken feed in the chicken run. What's left over there, little scraps. There's one in there right now. Where is he? Yeah. Oh, that was something on my window. Sorry, the window seal broke. This is one of the recycled windows I was using, and it is not very good. Its seal didn't hold, so I'll have to get that resealed in summer. I'll have to take it out in summer and take it in and get resealed, because I like this window. I really like this one a lot. It makes a really nice view. It's good to sit up here and rock on a cold winter day. Just sit here and gently rock. Hope that doesn't make anybody sick watching that. But it's good to just sit out here and look over the homestead, watch the deer walking far away through the forest, and take a break after working like I just did. So, well, pretty much that's it for me for outdoors today, because it's starting to really come down hard, and it's already covering everything. But I got my wood pile for the next 3 days, so I'm good to go. I'm really upset that it's going to fill in all the area I dug out recently. We're supposed to get 9 inches. I'll be happy when the snow is done. I am looking forward to spring now. But yeah, please forgive me. I know the videos are not too exciting, but there's only so many different ways I can show me shoveling snow to make it fun for y'all. So, to be honest, this past week, 3 days out of this week, I didn't even touch the camera once. There was no point, because I'm just shoveling and cutting wood. Not complaining. I mean, it's a better life than going out in this weather to go to an office and sit there on your butt all day, eating junk food, and sitting there for 8 hours and then fighting traffic on the way home. This is a way better life. It's tiring, but that makes it healthier. Way healthier. Just living out here is exercise. That's so much better. Got some packages that I ordered off eBay. I think these are all the diodes I've been waiting on. These are the, from the looks of it, the solar diodes, solar panel diodes. Yeah, these are for the solar panels. Yeah, I got 10 of them on one deal, so that's good. The ones I had were cheap and getting hot, so I ordered some better ones. These are bypass diodes. I accidentally kept saying blocking diodes all the time because I was thinking wind turbine, but the solar panel ones are bypass diodes. And what happens is, imagine you've got your solar panel, and imagine these are the rows of solar panels. If one row gets blocked, all the others can still produce power, and the other one is bypassed by using these diodes, so that the solar panel won't conduct back through the one row that's not conducting or not producing power, and then it won't burn up. But it's also, what I got them for is so I can connect my sets of solar panels in parallel with one another, and the power from one set cannot flow back out and through another. And here's something else I've been waiting on to improve my system. I hope I ordered 2. I Everybody knows what that is. If you know solar and wind, everybody knows what that is. Baby cat, you're not supposed to be on the table. That's why I do my package openings on the floor. Baby wants to be part of the project, so she's there for the openings. There's two blocking diodes. They look tiny, actually. I thought they'd be a bit bigger. So these are blocking diodes for my wind turbines. So I've got one for each. Now I can set up the other wind turbine as well and connect the one back up to my system. And I can hook them back up. These are from America, so I do hope they're going to be a little bit better than the previous one was. I really hope so. So there they are, the wind turbine blocking diodes. Now these are rated. They got quite a high rating. Let me check my eBay. Hold on a second. These have a very, very high rating considering their size. They don't look that big. They are 25 amps at 1000 volts. Each of these is a 25 amp and 1000 volt blocking diode for wind turbine. So there they are, the real deal. And then these other ones that I got here, also off eBay, are 10 amp solar panel blocking, well, it says blocking diodes, but these are going to be, it's funny, these are almost bigger than these, huh? Well, anyway, these are 10 amp diodes, at 1000 volt rating for the solar panels. So now I can hook everything up nicely. Now this one baby cat can play with. This is, I am getting ready for maple syrup harvesting season. So I ordered off eBay, make sure I'm recording here, yeah. I ordered some equipment for maple syrup harvesting. I can see what I'm doing here. Okay, we're still in here. Everything's backwards on camera, upside down. Okay, this is some maple syrup harvesting equipment, and I'll give baby cat the box so she can have her fun. There you go, there's a big box for the baby. And she goes in the box. Are you going in the box? No, she wants to see what I got. Alright, I've got 50 feet of tubing to connect the... There, she's in the box. She loves a box. Baby got a box. Alright. Alright, I got 50 feet of tubing here for connecting the maple syrup taps. And then here I've got a whole mess of, there should be 10 taps. Or spiles, as you call them. They're called spiles. I call it taps. Oh, it looks like they got a, what is that? Oh, cool. They've got a backflow. These are nice ones. They've got a little thing in there. See that? Oops, sorry. Little, what do you call it? Stop the backflow. Boy, I am trying to look at my thing upside down. But anyway, that's really good. These are cool. So it stops anything from flowing backwards. So it's a one-way valve, basically. And then I've got some T adapters. And this allows me to, it hangs on, you can hang it in multiple ways, very convenient. The adapters allow me to have 2 of the spiles going into one bucket. So this came as one eBay purchase, and I've got 10 taps, and then should be 5 T's. Very convenient. Very convenient. So I only need
5 buckets to do that. Now I've got, previous from last year, I've got 10 taps, plastic taps, and I've got 5 metal ones. So I've got 25 taps, which in maple syrup harvesting numbers is not much at all. Oh, it came in, it is one piece, I thought it was 2. Good. So I'm going to keep this all together and put it all out with my maple syrup harvesting equipment so that I have it all in one place when I need it in a few days here. The season starts up probably in just about a week, little over a week and a half, 2 weeks, about 2 weeks. As soon as the cold weather ends and the days are warmer and the nights are freezing, and then it'll be time to tap.